In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when games or applications aren't loading properly on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and scroll all the way over to the right till you see this settings cogwheel and scroll down, and what you're looking for is going to be your account and profile settings. So go ahead and open that up. Once you open this up, you're going to see a sync Amazon content option on here. Press it, select it a few times to be honest, and just let it finish syncing. This doesn't always work, but many users have said that it does fix missing app images. From here, go back to your main settings page. And once you're back on your main settings page, go ahead and scroll all the way over to this application section, open it up, and then go ahead and scroll down to manage installed applications. What you're going to want to do is just scroll through here, and this is going to take a while, and I want to apologize, but this is what you're going to have to do. Essentially select each one, and then go ahead and see this option to clear cache and choose this. You're going to want to do this for multiple apps because this will fix any loading problems that you might be having on those apps. If the issue does continue, back out to the homepage and go back to your settings. And this time, what you're going to want to do is select settings, open that up and open up your network settings. And in many cases, switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection instantly is going to fix any gray apps and loading platforms. You can also press the play or pause button on your Wi-Fi to run a speed test to make sure that your connection is stable. But if your apps still aren't loading, go ahead and back out. And then this time, go to your Fire TV option right here. Open this up. Go down and do a restart. You can also power cycle the device as well by turning the TV off, unplugging it from power for about 60 seconds, and then plugging back in and restarting. If nothing else does work though, go ahead and reset to factory defaults. Just keep in mind this is going to erase all your apps, your sign-in info, and your personal settings, so only do this as a last resort. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.